Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abacadoris and this is Amis TV. So you're welcome to Amis TV, and in today's video I'll be talking about shaving. And if today is the first time you're coming across this video, you're coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's go straight to what we have today. So today I'll be talking about different methods of shaving. I know some of us shave with shaving stick, shaving cream, and waxing. So I'll be talking about these different types of shaving because I've used these three, and I will tell you guys what I think about this shaving. And I will urge you guys to give it a try and see for yourself, and also report back. You can drop your comments on the comments section to tell me what you think about these three shavings. Okay, so let's get into it. Number one I will be talking about today will be the shaving with the shaving stick or shaving bit. Yeah, so this shaving, I think that was the first shaving I ever did. Okay, when I started shaving, that was the first shaving I used, shaving with shaving stick. So I'll be dropping, for those of you that might not know what I'm saying, or maybe you call it a different thing, so I'll be dropping a picture of that shaving stick here or there, so that you follow up and know what I'm talking about. So shaving with shaving stick, that was my first type of shaving. That was the first shaving I ever did. And as time goes on, I noticed that if you're shaving with a shaving stick, according to my mom, you have to be shaving, if you're shaving upwards, you have to keep shaving upwards, okay? Because if you're shaving upwards and all of a sudden you start to shave downwards, you're going to get bumps. Yes. So one thing I don't like about shaving with shaving stick is that you tend to get bumps through shaving with shaving stick. And not just you tend to get bumps, some people get bumps, and I know some people don't, but because skin differs, but for me it gives bumps, so I don't like that. Then I got to know about the shaving with shaving cream. So that one was so good. I loved it when I was using it. I loved the method of shaving with shaving cream, because when you apply your shaving cream and you have it on for 5 to 10 minutes or 3 minutes or thereabout, depending the kind of hairs you have, because I have a strong hair. Like my 4C type of hair is not just my hair, the hairs on my head alone. I have also the 4C type of hairs. All of them I would like, yeah, all my hairs are very, very strong. So when I use it, I have to carry on for 10 minutes and I will wash it off, clean it off, or wash it off, or scrub it off, whichever way you do yours. But me, I try to do it before going to the shower, so that I'll wash everything off in the shower. But one thing I don't like about, or one thing I noticed about the shaving with the shaving cream, is that it makes my armpit sweaty. Yeah, after use, it makes my armpit too sweaty. I don't sweat a lot, and I didn't notice all the sweaty armpits while I was growing up. So, and even up to now, I don't have that sweaty armpit, but I noticed that each time I use the shaving cream, I tend to have the sweaty armpit, and also sometimes I feel like something like ants just beats me there, and especially when I'm sweating. Okay, if I'm sweating, I feel like a pinch, or I don't know how to explain it, but it just feels like a pinch, or ants, all these ants thing. Then I will start to itch. Those are the feelings I get under my armpits each time I use it. And when I use it down there, it doesn't remove everything, and it doesn't just go the way I want it, and it tends to grow back fast. Okay, likewise the shaving stick also. When I use shaving stick, I notice that my hair grows fast, like it doesn't take time to grow back. So, and I don't like it, but I was using those things then when I got to know about shaving by waxing, yeah, you know, waxing shaving. So one good thing about this, the things I notice about waxing is that it is very good. And when I shave by waxing my hairs off, the hairs tend to take a little while before growing back. So my hair stays maybe 3 weeks before they grow back. My hair stays 2 weeks before growing back, and it leaves my armpits clean. And while I'm waxing while I'm waxing off the hairs, it removes the dead skins and, you know, leaving my armpits fresh and clean. And when I wax, my hair takes a longer time to grow back. These are the things that I love about waxing. And the part that I might say that might be the con of waxing would be that it's painful for some people. If you can't really endure pains, then waxing might not be your thing. But for me, I enjoy it. Like, it's not that painful for me. Like, it's cool. But one thing you should know is this: if you've never waxed before and you want to wax your armpit, and this is going to be your first time giving it a try, I will say you should try it out. And it's, at first, you should bear it in mind, have it at the back of your mind that it's going to be painful. It's going to be, you're going to experience a little bit pain, okay, but it will be all right. But the more you do it, the more you get used to it. The more you do it, the more you get used to it. And from my experience, I feel waxing is the best method of removing the hairs from your body. Yeah, waxing, even down there, I will advise you to go for waxing, because it leaves your skin clean. Like, oh god, if you haven't waxed before, I will urge you to give it a try and thank me later. Yes. So another thing also I noticed about waxing is this: that it takes a longer time for your hair to grow back. So if you're the kind of person that when you shave or when you use the shaving cream, your hair grows back in 1 week, 2 weeks. Yeah, because I know there are some people that hair grows fast. So if you're that kind of person that your hair grows back in 1 week or 2 weeks after shaving, then you have to try waxing, because your hair is going to take at least 3 weeks to 4 weeks to grow back. And if you're the type of person that doesn't have hairs, you're not too hairy, and your hairs doesn't grow fast, then waxing is for you, because you're going to keep flexing. You are going to keep flexing for a very long time before your hairs grow back. These are the things that I like about waxing, and I would say you should give it a try if you've never tried it before. And if you've tried it before and you notice anything different from what I have said, please don't forget to drop your comment down below so that we can check it out. Because for some people, I know they say that it makes their hair, it gives them this ingrown hair. I think that's what it's called. These hairs that grow back into your skin. For some people, they say waxing gives them that kind of hair. But for me, it leaves my skin very smooth. I like to shave my hairs, like the hairs on my body, from even my arm. I like to shave the hairs on my arm. I haven't shaved though, but the last time I shaved, it hasn't even grown back to this time. It's not like it doesn't grow back. If you look very well, you might see some hairs, but the hairs are just coming out a little. And one thing also I noticed about waxing is that I have this strong hair. Like I said before, I have this strong hair, but I noticed that when I wax my hairs off, when they are growing back, they tend to grow back soft. They don't grow back strong like the stubborn strong hairs that I used to have. So so they grow back soft and sweet and clean. So I like that. But if you've never tried it before, I would suggest you try it out. Waxing is good for me. And for those of you who will be wondering, oh, waxing, you've not seen waxing, the wax before, I'm going to put the picture down here. And if you're wondering how you're going to get this wax, don't worry. You can reach out to me if you want. I can, sell it to you, because I do make wax also. But if you really want to do it on your own, I can also put you guys through on how to do it. So in my next video, I'll be making a video on how to make a wax at home. So you can make it at home, and you can also use it to remove your hairs by yourself. But one thing also you should know is that removing your armpit might be easy for you to do it by yourself, but the hairs down there is kind of difficult, okay? And for a starter, it's very painful because you dragging it yourself. Like when you place on it and you try to drag it, you will just imagine the pain, and you might not want to do it very well. So it's advisable, if you're starting, if it's going to be your first time, I would advise you find someone, maybe a close friend, to help you do it. Or you can go to spa. If you don't mind, you can go to spa. But if it bothers you, someone seeing a male, then you can do it yourself at home. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this topic. Next video, I'll be showing you guys how to make wax at home, because I've been making my wax, so I will use that opportunity to show you guys how I make my wax at home. And for the people asking me how I cleared my skin, some people who know how I was looking few, like a month or two back, and they're asking me how I cleared my skin. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys the things that I used to clear my skin. So guys, like I said before, if today is the first time you're coming across this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing to you guys amazing topics. Okay, so bye.